Yeah, I think the reason I went into secondary PGC teaching was because I have a passion and love for the Welsh language especially. So before I went into the course, I had love for the Welsh language as a subject, and I think I wanted to share that passion with the children, with the pupils in schools. And in the primary sector, I would have to teach lots of different subjects, but I wanted to concentrate on my love on languages and the Welsh language especially, I think.
I think my reason is quite similar to Caddy's really, in the sense that I wanted to focus more on my specific subject. So I'll be teaching history and humanities more generally, especially with the new curriculum and the new areas of learning experience. But yeah, I wanted to focus more on humanities as a whole, and in primary there's a wider range of subjects you end up teaching. You end up doing languages, numeracy, everything really. So the main reason I wanted to go into secondary was to focus on my specialism, which was history through PGC, but humanities more broadly.
Yeah, my reasoning is also kind of similar. For me, I love maths, and I've loved it since as long as I can remember. Maths is kind of like a hobby for me as well. If I get stressed out, I pick a maths textbook and start solving maths.